buhay ay di natatapos. Pag-asa nila ay di rin nauubos. Tuluyang lumalaban, di mahaharangan. Panalo sa harap ng sino man, kaya di na mapipigilan pag-angat ng kanilang pangalan.
Want some, I get some, no later. I woke up a big dead potato. Got carbs shake me for major. But I say me, not mediocre. Tell me what you see, a cool kid. I will question this is my life. I won't be that, but I think I'm a reality. Cause you'll see, model me, ill. I did it. Yeah, I'm gonna see you later. I'm just gonna shower. Basta makakakita ng ginto. Di ko na kailangan ng muna ako. Hindi pa nadana to. Aandara makina ko, tanging mekaniko. Kaya ko, nga na moli ko. Sa daming pinigdaan, patong ng story ko. So sumatis mo, so alinat ko, malik na rin ko. Di naman talaga madali, amini ko pa manoin din. Sila ko naman kung bakit pegi, maray kong di ba listo. Lagi na listo, may ipag si Mephisto. Tatapos na beast mo, na beast ko. No! Joel! What's up, Araneta? Hanggang lahat, magpapakilala mo na kami kay Nizam! Hi everyone, I'm Josh!
Hi, everyone, I'm Ken.
Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat, ako si Pablo!
Kamusta po kayo? I'm Justin.
Magandang gabi, I'm Steve! Ngayon, SB19! Grabe yun, ha? Araneta, magingay muna kayo! Teka, paunang tanong, nagustuhan niyo ba yung Kento? Grabe yung energy niyo, sana hanggang ngayon. Hindi, kasi marami pa kaming performance mamaya, so hopefully, yung energy niyo, mataas niyo pa. Okay ba yun?
No. Unang-una sa lahat, grabe. Kasi Araneta, sinold out nyo na naman ang another concert. At dahil pa to kay Ninang Pure Gold. Kaya naman maraming salamat dahil another sold out show na naman to. At with the line of great artists here in the Philippines. Katulad kanina, nakita nyo ba kasama natin na Gento, yung Bini?
Yes.
Yeah!
Maraming
Finally, nakita nyo ng live kung paano mag-Gento yung Bini.
Grabe yun.
Bini, maraming salamat. And sana na-enjoy nyo po yung performance namin tonight, everyone. Salamat
Teka lang, gusto ko lang kasi tanongin. Natuwa ba kay Don Blooms?
Let's go!
Grabe. Ito yung isa sa mga parang memorable na moment kasi ngayon lang kami nagkasama on stage ng Gento TV. Ayun, sana i-reserve nyo pa yung energy nyo kasi for the rest of the night, mag-enjoy tayo at magpa-party.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Sana nga next time samahan niyo rin ako, di ba?
Ano?
Next time, tayo naman yung sumama sa Bini.
Ayun nga, kanina nakita eh.
Bago ang lahat, gusto ko muna tanungin si Justin. Kumusta ang experience ng Salamin?
Alam niyo, super overwhelmed ako.
Alam nyo,
Sa totoo lang po, matagal niya na gusto talaga.
Matagal na gusto ko yung iwan.
7, go!
Isa ka lang dyan. Salamin.
Mahiwaga sa lamin, ano bang dapat gawin? Bakit? Gusto pa niya umextra ko.
Ba't di ako sinayawan? Thank you. Maraming salamat, Bini. Yes, na sinama niyo ako kanina. At pagsama niyo sa aming Gento.
Thank you so much, Bini.
Solid.
We love you guys so much.
Grabe.
That's right. And now we have more songs and performances for you tonight. Are you guys ready for the next one? Alright, so let's get right into it. The next song is called Moonlight.
Yeah.
It's in the moments when your face is next to mine and we don't show it, but we're thinking of the times.
What an emotion, my desire taking over my emotions.
Want you in everywhere, want you to scream my name with my hands around your waist. Doing what we do in the moonlight. I've been loving you, baby, all night. Baby, you and me are shadows on the ceiling. That's my favorite feeling. Doing what we do in the moonlight. I've been loving you, baby, all night. Baby, you and me are shadows on the ceiling. That's my favorite feeling. Yeah, doing what we do in the moonlight. Doing what we do in the moonlight. No, you don't wanna give me any reason. Show me what to do, secret. We can hide a feeling. Hey!
Nagustuhan niyo ba yun?
Ingit nun ah. Bakit hindi pa natin mas painitin?
Patayin niyo yung aircon.
Ano sa sunod?
Yo, 18. I want nobody but you. Ain't nobody but Ain't nobody better for your promise. This is for life.
It's more than a physical attraction, it's a passion, baby, all your life.
You ever doubt it? How about it, baby, if you come allow it?
I need it anytime you come on running. Oh yeah, see it never question. I want you, and ain't nobody else gonna do. So every single time I come through and get it, come through and get it. I'm addicted to the way that you touch me. I want you, I wanna fall on my knees, beg for your body on me. Yeah, I want you, know how I like it. I want you, just how I like it.
You got me open, I got it bad. I ain't gonna run, you can say what you want, baby, y'all did it head. See, if it's for you, oh, you hanging the bed. See, everything new for you, I'm changing the face. Fresh.
Why am I silent? Forever falling.
Head over heels, ain't no way to stop it. It never quits.
I want you, ain't nobody else is gonna do. So every single time I come through, get it, come through, get it. I'm addicted to the way that you touch me. I want you, I wanna fall on my knees, beg for your body on me. Yeah, I want you, you know how I like it. I want you, just how I like it. Baby, you're what I want. I want you, baby, you're what I want. Baby, you're what I want. I want you, baby, you're what. Baby, you're what. Baby, you're what I want. I want you, baby, you're what I want. Baby, you're what. Baby, you're what I want. I want you, baby, you're what. Baby, you're what. Ain't nobody else gonna do. So every single time I come through, get it, come through, get it. I'm addicted to the way that you touch me. I want you, I wanna fall on my knees, beg for your body on me. Yeah, I want you, you know how I like it. I want you, just how I like it.
Grabe,
Yo.
thank you so much.
Napagkainit.
Kamusta, Aiden? Bakit parang wala kayong reaksyon?
Kamusta, Pure Gold?
Hindi nyo ba nagustuhan?
Masaya ba kayo?
Ah,
Oh,
Oh. Wait. Parang pamilya.
Wow.
wow.
may pa-video din. Grabe no. Oy!
Wow!
Mga ninang!
Wow!
Pinakita talaga lahat ng mga ninang, ha?
Wow!
Big sa Pure Gold.
Fan ka ba ng SB19?
Oo naman.
Gusto mo bang manood sa Pure Gold concert sa Araneta?
Di ba may awarding?
Oo, tara!
Tara!
Awarding?
Awarding! Tayo, gusto niyo rin bang sumama? Tara!
Panay! Wow!
Oh, hello!
Are you ready for the Pure Gold Award?
Wow, merong ganun pala. May Pure Gold Awards. Seryoso mo ba?
First, we are awarding 6 awards tonight. And can you guess who the winners will be?
Oh.
First up, we have Hari ng Daan Award.
Hari
The
ng
Hari ng Daan Award goes to
Hari ng daan?
Pablo.
Pablo!
Edsa! Ito na naman sa Edsa
Hari ng daan.
Kahabaan.
Ito na naman sa akin sa kahabaan.
I keep running hard.
First of all, thank you, Pure Gold. Pero,
To Pablo, may explanation. To Pablo, we award the Hari ng Daan Award for his amazing EDSA track and for burning rubber on the streets with his trusty motorcycle. Not only that, but as the CEO of 1Z and the main composer
Wow!
and the main composer of SB19, you have also become a key player in paving the way for P-pop as a music genre, not only in the Philippines but worldwide.
Pinuno. Pinuno.
firstly, gusto ko pasalamatan yung Pure Gold sa pag-recognize nito. And syempre gusto ko pasalamatan ang SB19. Syempre mga brothers ko, hindi naman to matutupad kung wala sila. Syempre 18, lahat ng mga sumusuporta sa kanilang mga iniidolo. Mabuhay kayong lahat. Wala kami dito ngayon sa entablado kundi dahil sa inyo. Sa mga magulang namin, syempre sa mga nagpalaki sa amin. And syempre sa staff namin, supporters and everyone na talagang sila yung nagpapatakbo ng makina namin. Wala kami dito ngayon kung hindi dahil sa kanila lahat. Sila yung tunay na hari. Pero Pure Gold, maraming salamat dito.
Yay! Salamat po, Ninang Pure Gold.
Pablo, so sino nga ba yung next na magkaka-award?
May
So,
award.
King of the Night, Third Job!
Wow. King of the night.
King of the Night.
King of the Night?
Ikaw kumanta nung nasa atin ang panalo.
Wow, maraming salamat po, King of the Night. Siguro kasi natawag akong ganito. Nasa Wild Tonight, gano'n. And hindi ako natutulog.
To Josh, the King of the Night title truly belongs to you, not only as a nod towards Wild Tonight and your never-aging, youthful, and vampire-like looks, but also as someone truly never sleeps. Yeah, alam natin lahat yan. You have become famous for dropping MVs, songs, events, and collaborations left and right, truly proving that success comes to those who work for it. Congrats!
Wow, syempre po, itong award na to,
King of the
hindi
Night.
lang po para sa akin, para po sa SB19, 18, at sa BBQ. Salamat po.
King of the Night.
Wala ako, ano?
King of the Night.
The next award goes to the Birit King, of course, no other than
Justin!
Yes, sample.
may pangalan po yung award.
May pangalan
So
ba?
it's Stel po. To Stel, we award the Birit King Award for your viral All By Myself rendition during David Foster's concert right here on the stage. But not only that, this award also represents how we truly believe that, like your voice, you can soar to truly great heights, not only as a member of SB19, but as your own self.
Yeah, sampo.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much po. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat, 18, for giving us this award. Well, actually, with all the blessings na dumadating, it's not us, but it's God na talagang nagbibigay sa amin ng strength and lakas ng loob. Kaya naman, this award is really not for me, but to all the people who really supports me. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Ted. Thank you. Yeah, so next award. Sino nga ba yung magkaka-award na next? Superior King!
Superior King.
Superior baka.
Okay, so to Ken, we award the title Superior King not only as a nod towards your own company, Superior Son, and your superior fashion sense, and also as an acknowledgement of your truly superior talent, vocalist, dancer, rapper, guitarist, composer, writer, artist, you can really do it all effortlessly.
First of all, masaya ako sa mga tao na buwibili ng merch ko, which is yung Superior Son. Maraming salamat kasi na-enjoy niyo yung mga jacket, tsaka mga hoodie, tsaka t-shirt na ginagawa ko para sa inyo. Pagpasensyahan niyo na kung last release ko medyo tumaas yung presyo. Sulit naman yun, so... Ayun, maganda naman yung cut. Sheesh! Drip is important, so ayun. Maraming salamat sa lahat.
Superior.
And last but not the least, of course, for our individual awards, we award King Corn to just...
King Corn! King Corn!
Parang unggoy. Thank you po.
We name you King Corn for your truly corny jokes. Yun lang. Kidding aside, corn represents so much more than that. In literature and the ancient worlds, corn represented growth and rebirth. And truly, no one can deny how much you've grown from when you first debuted as the youngest member of SB19 to who you are now as a soloist. I can think of nobody else who represents growth more.
Hey, Banis! Maraming salamat. Graduate na ako. Thank you. Thank you so much, 18, sa supportan nyo and appreciating all those things na ginagawa namin for you guys. So, thank you so much. We love you guys. Parang graduation talaga.
To SB19, we award, of course, P-Pop Kings!
Maraming salamat.
To our Mahalima, we award the title P-Pop Kings, not only for paving the way for P-Pop as we know it today, but for truly wanting everyone within your quote-unquote kingdom to prosper. You lead by example by living your dream of conquering the world through your music, much like the conquistadors and kings of old. You wear many crowns as evidenced by the trophies you hold, but your journey from rags to riches, from obscurity to fame, is one of your most treasured crowns, and we hope that you wear it proudly. All hail the P-Pop Kings!
Wow, thank you so much guys. Super gulat kami kung ano tong pakulo nyo and sobrang di namin alam paano magre-react but super thankful kami. Alam namin na grabe yung mga pinaghihirapan yung ginagawa nyo for us. So thank you so much guys. Thank you guys. Maraming salamat. Maraming salamat.
And para sa inyo po,
Grabe naman yun.
Gulat Kings! Grabe, nakakagulat yun Okay.
Kaya pala walang lumabas sa prompter
Well, unang-una sa lahat, gusto namin magpasalamat sa mga fan bases na talagang ginagawa yung best nila just to, mapakita sa sinusupport nilang idol, yung pagmamahal and support nila. So, palakpakan naman natin ang lahat ng fan base na nandito.
Yes.
Maraming salamat po sa time, effort, love, and all the support na binibigyan niyo sa amin.
Yes, syempre hindi lang naman yun po ang awards dito sa gabing ito, kundi lahat po na pumunta rito ay panalo. Sabi nga ni Pure Gold, nasa iyo ang panalo.
Nasa atin ang panalo.
Nasa
ating lahat.
Nasa atin nga.
So, ayun nga. Nagustuhan niyo ba yung I Want You kanina? Ituloy na ba natin? Ikaw, Justin, may gusto ka pa sabihin?
Gusto ko lang sabihin na thank you so much guys. Nag-loading yung Maraming salamat.
Napapansin ko lang, medyo pumunta na tayo sa mabagal na phase ng kanta natin. Nag-I Want You na tayo. So bakit di pa natin ituloy? Dahil favorite naman ng mga Filipinos, but also 80, yung mga ballad songs natin. Bakit hindi tayo mag-ballad na?
Tama.
Game na ba kayo?
Game na.
Kasi parang sa moment na to, parang bagay na mag-laptara-tara tayo.
Tara.
Tara, let's go!
La chara chara, la chara chara, la chara chara chara, la chara.
Mari po ba natin yan ang ating mga flashlights?
La chara chara, la chara chara chara, la chara la chara.
Mama, kumusta natin na? Tayo lagi nagkikita, miss na kita sobra. Lagi na lang kami ang nauna. Di ba pwedeng ikaw muna? Akin ang pangamba. Dahil ikaw ang aking mata. Sa tuwing mundo'y nag-iiba ang dahilan ng aking paghinga. Sabay! Huwag mag-alala, bigit ng iyong matatan. Pahinga muna, ako nang bahala. Mas labis na yung nagawa, mama. Pahinga muna, ako na. Papaaalala mo ko ay nung ako'y bata pa, di ba? Aking puso yung hinanda sa mga bagay na buhay ang may dala. Dala ko ang iyong bawat payo at hanggang sa dulo magkalayo man tayo, ako'y tatayo. Pangako, tatay ko. Dahil ikaw nag-iba sa tuwing ako'y kakapang nadala ng aking paghinga.
Di hayaan mag-isa ka sa kahit na ano. Ang himpilan ng aking puso sa piling mo'y manatag mong pagkatao. Ay kaya na natin ito. Maranatha! Masaya ba kayo ngayon? Sana sa mga sandaling ito ay napasaya namin kayo. Mula sa Blooms, sa Doroles, at sa Flowers. At syempre, baka kalimutan ba naman namin ang aming mga 18. Kaya maaari po ba, taas po natin ang ating mga flashlights ulit. Kaya kung hindi tayo
buhay ko'y matatawag ba
Thank you so much. Maraming salamat. 18, and of course, Pure Gold. Maraming salamat po. Dati, nasa akin ang panalo. Pero right now, super happy ko na nakasama ko yung mga kagrupo ko at nasa atin na ang panalo.
Yes, kompleto na.
Yes, kompleto.
Nasa ating lahat ang
Thank you,
panalo.
Ninang.
Kaya maraming salamat. Ninang Pure Gold. And thank you po sa opportunity na to. Thank you, 18, kasi hindi naman talaga maaabot ni SB19 kung ano yung mga nagagawa namin ngayon. Kung hindi dahil din sa suporta at pagmamahal niya. Is that right, 18? Yes. Kaya love na love namin kayo kasi the best talaga kayo.
Tama yan. Talagang gusto kong pasalamat sa Pure Gold kasi pinagsama-sama niya lahat ng artist sa isang stage.
Yes, that's right.
Panalo talaga tayo lahat. And syempre, gusto kong i-shoutout yung community ng Blooms, for Vinny, Dolores, para sa Sanchez Lola. And syempre, ang buong hip-hop community supporting Flo G, Stas Tacler, syempre, Master Glock 9, maraming salamat.
Tama. Maraming salamat po talaga sa Pure Gold. Katulad nga ng sabi ni Sheena kanina, lahat tayo may moment at isa ito sa mga masasayang moment na maaalala namin. And this is how we raise our craft, our culture, our country, and this is how we encourage hope for everyone. Dahil from the start, ang panalo naman at pag-asa ay para talaga sa lahat.
Grabe, ang lalim.
Siyempre.
Lalim naman. Pero dahil dyan, syempre, dahil nandito tayo, nagtipon-tipon tayo dahil lang sa isang rason. Dahil yon mag-celebrate, dahil yon kay Ninang Pure Gold. Kaya naman, nakagawian na to lagi. Pwede bang gawin natin to ng pare-parehas? Ganito yung tono niya. Salamat Ninang Pure Gold! Ganon. Sabay-sabay tayo. 3, 2, 1, go! Ayan, ang galing. Isa pa, 1, 2, 3, go! Ayan, ang galing. Thank you, Ninang Pure Gold.
Galing ah.
Love you po.
So dahil dyan, pwede ba mag-picture tayo?
Ayan, picture. Remembrance.
Picture naman tayo, come on. 1Z team, let's get it.
Remembrance. Pa-selfie po kami sa inyo.
O dapat ganun ulit ah.
1, 2, 3, nasa atin ang panalo. 1, 2, 3! Another 1, 3, 2, 1, go! Yay! Maraming salamat po.
Parang pagod na sila, guys. Parang, nangihina na ba kayo? Pagod na kayo? Kumain na ba kayo? Nakapag-freshen up na ba kayo? Ay, hindi pa. Gusto nyo bang maligo?
Gusto nila. Sige, mamaya pagbibigyan natin sila. Pagbibigyan natin sila. Okay. Ken, may gusto ko ba sabihin, Ken?
Ayan, so magkita-kita po tayo lahat sa Pure Gold Stores pag may pagkakataon na magkasalubong po tayo. So, ayun, syempre, mag-Pure Gold tayo para sa tipid na pag-shopping natin. So, yeah, always panalo ang lahat. Sana panalo kayo palagi. For sure, panalo kayo palagi. Sa puso ni Stel, sa puso ni Justin, sa puso ni Pablo, sa puso ni John.
At sa puso.
Lalong-lalo na sa puso ko, panalo kayo. Ayan, maraming salamat sa pagpunta dito, sa lahat ng fandom, sa lahat po na sumusuporta ng hip-hop. Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. Sa Blooms, especially sa 18, maraming salamat sa pagpunta. Alam ko may mga lakad yung iba sa inyo, pero you chose to be here tonight para mag-spend ng time with us. So, ayun, maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat.
Dahil tayo ay always panalo, meron kaming gustong i-update sa inyo. May naalala ba kayo, 18? Parang meron kaming pangako sa inyo na hindi pa namin nasasabi sa inyo. Di ba may na-share kami about pagtatag documentary? Di ba may na-share kami last time?
Yeah.
Excited ba kayo doon? O Justin, excited daw
Alam
sila.
niyo, meron tayong teaser na pinakita before.
Ha?
May teaser about the documentary film na pinakita tayo before. Pero, kulang pa yung details. Kaya right now, ngayon mismo dito sa stage ng Araneta, ay meron kaming update for that documentary film. So, panoorin natin ito.
Panoorin natin ito. Let's go.
Let's go.
This is the final show! Walang nalaylay! Sama-sama tayo dito! Let's go! 1, 2, 3! 1, 2, 3!
Grabe, ang tagal din.
In cinemas, August 28, 2024.
Napaka-ikli nung teaser naman.
Haba eh.
Teaser talaga siya. Ayan, na-excite po kaming ibahagi sa inyo na ang pagtatag, the documentary nationwide theatrical release is on August 28! Yan, sama-sama po tayong manood ng aming pagtatag, the
Yes, ito
documentary.
ay isang documentary na nagkukwento ng mga nangyayari syempre sa amin at sa buong pagtatag era namin, tsaka yung mga masasayang journeys namin, mga challenges. Kasama din kayo doon. So makikita niyo yung mga sarili niyo doon. Syempre, at yun yung mga journey na nagpatatag sa amin. That's right.
Dahil matatag na kami, huwag na natin patagalin pa. Bigyan na natin to.
Are you guys ready to party? Are you guys ready to party?
Kailangan lahat sasayaw, ha?
Everyone, this is Quick Down!
Let's get it!
that I just look at another church. These hippos present up me. Nothing can't play ball like a captain. So got a motor. Giving yes on drip more like Nike. Too cold on my skin, stand me. Gonna bleed on my back, who can stand me?
Copy, not me, never been sloppy. Been a long time, but your boy so bossy. Hot eyes out, what a nice little foxy. Full of 5 deep, what a same old posse. Y'all too easy, ba't ang mga sulat ka na bossy? Bakit mo ang pilit? Huwag ka magbumunit. Asa ka pa na mag-I am the one and only.
Let's go! Let's go! Trip! Now we run, we go hard like we lose blood. Now we run, we go hard like we lose blood. On your side, flashing, dancing in the sun. Hero, never get a Reno. We're trying to find a lot. To get down with the double cross, it's just too fertile. We know we so cool, don't need cool. Yeah, I don't really want to girls. Things are true, but I'm over now. Cause I got a lot of things to do. I don't want to make it rain. Come on, but I don't give up. You can blame me, I'm insane. You already beat and I can't pretend. I got blood stained in my name. 1, 2, got 2, a super. I give everything, baby. Believe me, be your own man, see it. Won't be beautiful, what's up, got in the rock, oh, yeah. Come on! Now we run, we go hard like we lose gun. On your son, slicing, dicing in. Trip, trip, trip. Now we run, we go hard like we lose gun. On your son, slicing, dicing in. Yo, we wanna make some noise! Are you ready? Yeah, let's go! Now we run, we go hard. Thank you all so much, Araneta. Maraming salamat po! Muli, this has been SB19! Maraming salamat po!
Maraming salamat sa lahat.
Thank you so much!
Thank you guys.